Hello, I'm Christina from Milan Creative Co, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to make color palettes from photos. I'm going to use Photoshop for this, but you can also use this method in Illustrator. Open your favorite photo in Photoshop. I really love this photo because it has soft colors that would work well for logo design or website design. First, I want to remove the default colors from the Swatches panel. If you can't see the Swatches panel, just go to Window, Swatches to open it. Next, click on the button next to Swatches to open the menu and then go to Preset Manager. Select the first color, hold down the Shift key and select the last color to select all of them. Then click on Delete to empty the Swatches panel. Now click Done. All the colors were removed from the Swatches panel, so now we can add colors to it. You can use the eyedropper tool to sample colors from the photo, but I want to show you a little trick that will help you create a better color palette. So go to Filter, Pixelate Crystallize. This filter will merge pixels that have similar colors. Let's move this a bit. If you increase the cell size, you will have fewer colors. I usually increase it to around 40 or 50. It also depends on your image. So when you are happy with the number of colors you have, click OK. The filter is now applied to your photo and you can begin sampling colors. Let's zoom in to see them better. I'm going to take the eyedropper tool to sample a very light pink. Let's use this one. And then I'm going to go to the bottom of the Swatches panel and create a new swatch. You can also add it to your library if you want. Then click OK. The color is now added to your Swatches panel. So I'm going to sample a few other colors. I think I have enough colors. If you want to use them for branding or website design, you should add about 5 to 7 colors. And if you want to use them for surface patterns, you should add more, at least 10 colors. If you want to save them, go back to the Swatches panel menu and click on Save Swatches. Give your swatches a new name. I am going to call them Peonies and click Save. You can save them in the default Photoshop Swatches folder, or you can choose another folder on your computer. Just click Save. If you want to load your color swatches, just go back to the menu, click Load Swatches and search for your folder, then click on Load. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more Photoshop and Illustrator tutorials, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!